If you're visiting the San Antonio Riverwalk, here are 4 ideas or tips that I have to make your experience even better. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel and check out the vlogs that go along with these videos. Okay, so you might be staying on the Riverwalk in one of the many hotels. If you aren't though, you may want to just walk to experience the Riverwalk while you're visiting San Antonio. But where do you park? One suggestion I have is to park in the parking garage at the Shops at River Center. You will have to pay a fee for parking in the parking garage. When I went, it was about $5 for an hour and $1 for each additional 15 minutes that you were parked there. If you're planning on staying at the Riverwalk to eat dinner, it may cost you a little bit more. Secondly, if you're bringing kids, you may want to bring a stroller with you when you're walking the Riverwalk. The only thing I will say about this, while the ground is smooth enough to push a stroller, it tends to get pretty crowded on the Riverwalk, and it does get tough to push a stroller through the crowds of people. So keep that in consideration when you're considering whether or not you want to bring your stroller along. Also, you're going up and down a lot of stairs, may be hard to navigate with a stroller. If you want to eat dinner at the Riverwalk, there are many restaurants to choose from, but oftentimes there are long waits at these restaurants, so you will want to plan accordingly and get there early enough to put your name in so you're not waiting until very late in the evening before you start eating dinner. If you are a Landry Select Club member, you do have the benefit of getting into some of these restaurants earlier than others. There are many restaurants on the Riverwalk that qualify for this perk, so you might want to check into that before you head to dinner as well. For example, the restaurant that my family and I ate at, I think it was a minimum of an hour and a half to 2 hour wait. But with the Landry Select Club membership, we were able to get in only 30 minutes. And lastly, if you want to have a little bit more fun on the Riverwalk, you can always take one of the mini boat tours, or you can even rent kayaks to kayak down the river. Those are my 4 tips and tricks for visiting San Antonio Riverwalk. If you have any other great tips, put them in the comments. And thanks for watching. I will see you in our next video. Bye.